Hello, do you think you need a huge backyard to grow delicious mangoes? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how to grow sweet, juicy mangoes right from your balcony using just a bucket. Growing mangoes in containers saves space, looks beautiful, and yes, it's possible. Even a 4-foot balcony can give you a mini mango harvest. The key is choosing the right variety and the right pot soil mixture for mangoes, as well as setting up the right environment with sufficient sun exposure. Please note, a dwarf or grafted mango tree is ideal for containers. Gently plant a dwarf or grafted mango right at the center of the pot. Use a breathable potting mix and ensure your bucket drains well. Soggy roots equals sad mangoes. Plant the tree in the center of the bucket. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry and feed it monthly with organic fertilizer. In early stages, prune excess shoots to encourage strong branches. Your mango tree will flower in 1-2 years if grafted. Help pollination by gently shaking branches or using a soft brush. Once fruits form, protect them with mesh bags from birds and bugs. When mangoes turn yellowish and smell sweet, they are ready. Let them ripen indoors for a few days, then enjoy the fruits of your balcony. So there you have it, mango magic in a bucket. Hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more balcony gardening hacks.